Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Transferring binary files over HTTP in Python can be achieved using the requests library. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. Make sure you have the requests library installed. If not, you can install it using. Before transferring a binary file, you need to have a file ready for transfer. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume you have a binary file named example_file.bin in the same directory as your script. Replace the placeholder values in the code with your actual file path and the URL where you want to upload the binary file. This tutorial provides a simple and effective way to transfer binary files over HTTP using Python and the requests library. ChatGPT.